Ishita from class 2A10. Play script. Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to narrate a story. The story is called The Land of Pink Trees. Sam likes to play at the red brick well. Everyone says that if you dip a bucket into the well, you might find something interesting. Sam dips the bucket into the well. He pulls it up. He finds a shining gold ring. I love this well. Let's see what I'll find today. It looks old and dusty. Let me clean it. Sam rubs the ring with an old rag from his pocket. Wow! A ring! It looks old and dusty. Let me clean it. Sam closes in a second. Sam feels a bit jarred. He opens his eyes and he sees a trunk of a pink tree. He goes little closer. He looks up at the tree. He sees a big black bear resting on the tree. Who are you?
Hello little one, you're in the land of pink trees. This is a magic land. We have dragons and bears here.
The dragon came. Can I help you? My name is Drag the Dragon. Who are you? My name is Sam. I must go back to my land. Very well, Sam. If you look to the hills on my left, you will find a big rock. Next to the rock, you will find a tunnel. A tunnel? Yes. Stand next to the tunnel and rub the magic ring you have it. Sam is back at his land. Yay! I am back at my house. That was an amazing adventure to the land of pink trees. But I like being back at my own land. There is no place like home.